Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to pin documents on the Apple Notes by iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Apple Notes. So the Apple Notes will be symbolized with this. So you just need to click them to open it. Right after that, you just need to take a look at which documents that you want to make it stay upline. So here I mostly use these features for the most important documents that I have. Let's say here, this is the most important documents that I have here. Now you just need to go click them and hold, or you can just do this instead. You just need to slide this into the right side. So there will be pop up the use button, which is this pin tool. So you just need to click them, and then those documents will disappear from this row and they will be move into the outlines. So that is the way, guys, how to pin your documents on Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.